7th grade, you guys are working on your warm-ups? Has everybody been able to log in? I know Big Ideas is slow today. I'll give you time, so work on your warm-ups. Reminder, once you get logged in, you're going to section 1.5, doing the warm-ups. This is very slow today. Okay, so 7th grade, you have 2 warm-ups. Yep, you have 2 warm-ups. You're finding the mean. What's the mean? What's another word for mean? What's another word for it?
The mean absolute.
Average. You're finding the average. So you're going to add all those up and divide by how many there are.
Divide.
Add them all up and then divide by how many numbers there are.
Okay.
Okay? Ricky's like, oh, I got to do just a little more. You should be writing the key idea in your journal. Make sure you label the very top of your journal, lesson 1.5, because you will be turning these in the day of the test. 8th grade, you'll be turning your journals in the day we take the test on Wednesday. So if you've slacked off on your note taking, make sure it's current by Wednesday. Okay? Does anybody need more time to write the key idea? Okay, I'll give you just a moment. All right, so a quick explanation of your key idea. This is when you're subtracting fractions, guys. When you're subtracting fractions, you see you have a fraction minus, open parenthesis, minus negative 4/5. Or you see that? When you have 2 negatives next to each other, what does that actually mean? It means addition. It's going to be a positive. So you're actually, even though you're subtracting a negative number, it makes it to where you're adding it. Does everybody follow that? So let's do an example here. All right, everybody can see this? My video is